Hey y'all, this is Randy with Southern Adventures. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to our little old channel that we have. And we've been enjoying following a lot of you out there also. We done a little cook yesterday. I throwed 4 St. Louis style ribs on the Pit Boss Pro Series 1100 smoker. And it's been raining today. I just wanted to step out here while it wasn't raining so I could just do this on my back deck. But anyway, we just want to show you a little short video. It's not long, a little something that we like to do. And I've got another video that goes in a little bit more detail. We just put a little link up here, and it'd be on one of the sides there. But again, listen, I do want to tell y'all this, from Ms Bea and myself, we wish y'all a wonderful, wonderful new year. We pray that 21 is going to be a great year for y'all and us. And we pray that y'all have safe travels, great cooks, family time, and just enjoy yourself. So again, thank y'all for watching our little old channel, and we appreciate y'all so much, and we'll let you watch it right now.
In eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? The hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong.
Oh, just a little something going on right here. Gonna be some good eating in just a little bit.